Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Abacus Maths, making your child count. Today, firstly, we will revise the things which have studied earlier. The first is parts of abacus tool. As already we have discussed the parts of abacus tool, we will do a quick revision. The outer part is called the frame. The upper ones are called the upper beads, lower one are called the lower beads. Mid part is the beam and the vertically rods are called rods of abacus. So, our first topic, rods of abacus tool. As I have told you that there are many rods, but unit rod, tens rod, hundreds and so on, as you can see in this picture. So, today's topic is sums in units rod lower beads. Now students, you will think that what is units rod and what is its value. So you can see in front of you an abacus tool is there. See, the mid column is called the home column and it is only your units rod. Its value is, the upper bead value is 5, the lower bead value is 1. As you can see it very clearly. Now, if you have to add any number, then you have to put the beads up. And if you have to minus any number, minus means subtraction, so you have to put the beads down. You will get it more clear afterwards in this video. Now next is our position, how you have to take your tool and sit. See, first of all put the tool on your table, then you have to sit straight and don't lean on the table. This is the position. Now hold your abacus from your left hand side and in the right hand side you can hold your pencil. Now our explanation part of today. Now there is a video. Students, you can see an abacus tool in front of you. In my previous abacus class, I have told you about the parts of abacus. As this is the frame of abacus. These are the upper beads. These are the lower beads. This is the beam of abacus and it contains 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the rods of abacus. Now students, can you see 5 dots in the beam? As I have told you this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mid dot is the place from where we have to do our calculations. And this rod is called the units rod or the home column. Listen students, I will tell you the names of other rods also today. But we will only do the calculations in units rod today, as we can't take the 3 or 4 rods at the same time because it's your startup. So this is the units rod, this is the tens rod and besides it the hundreds rod. Again I am repeating, this is the units rod, besides it is the tens rod and besides the tens rod is the hundreds rod. Ones, tens, hundred. Units rod, tens rod, hundred rod and so on. Like this is the units rod. In units rod, this is our upper bead and these are our lower beads. Again I am repeating, this is the upper bead, these are our lower beads. Now students, just keep it in your mind that today we will do the calculations in units rod only. The mid. Some students will have a question in their mind, then ma'am, can we start from this rod? Can we do our calculation in this rod? No, you have to do your calculation in this mid rod. Means you have to start your calculation because the first rod of abacus is this rod, the mid rod, the units rod. So you have to start your calculation from the units rod only. Now I will tell you that from which finger you have to add and from which finger you have to minus. You have to use your thumb for adding and you have to use your finger for subtract. as you are very well known with add and subtract. Add means addition to plus any number, minus means subtract to minus any number. So you have to do up, down, up, down, up, down. For add you have to do up, for minus you have to do down with your index finger. So let's start. If I have to add any number, like if I have to add 1, so use your thumb, 1. As you can see it clearly, I have add 1. Now if you have to add 2, 1, 2. Then if I have to add again 1, 1. See, now if I have to minus 2, use your index finger, 1, 2. You can see it more clearly. Now, again I will do for you, but before doing you have to adjust your abacus. Like this. Now if I have to add 2, 1, 2. Now if I have to minus 1, minus 1. For adding up, for subtracting down. Now see students, as you are well known with it, like for adding up and subtracting down, like if I have to add 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if I have to subtract 2, 1, 2. See how easily you can do this. Now class, listen one thing. In your abacus tool, you have to focus. You have to focus on the beads. Today, I am not taking this upper bead. We will only do the calculation in the units rod lower beads, as our today's topic is units rod lower beads. So we will only use these 4 beads today. So start. Now we will do some sums. As our today's topic is sums in units rod lower beads. So now we will do the sum in tool. As students, you can see in front of you 5 sums are there and tool is also there. So we will start now. Before starting, we have to set our abacus. We have to do all our upper beads up and lower beads down. Like this also you can do. Upper beads up, lower beads down. So what is our topic? I will remind you. Our topic is sums in units rod lower beads. Sums in unit rod lower beads. So we will start. And I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all we will start. See, here is written 2. And in front of 2 nothing is there. So 2 means you have to add 2. So shall we start? Okay, very good. Now 1, 2. Now next is 1. You have to add 1. 1. Then see, minus 3 means you have to subtract 3. Subtract means subtraction. Use your index finger. 1, 2, 3. Now see, any bead is there? No, nothing is left out. So answer is 0. See, I will write 0 here. Now our next sum, 1. 1 means you have to add 1. Use your thumb, 1. You have to hold your pencil like this. I am using pen, you will use your pencil. So 1. Then again you have to add 1. Then you have to again add 2. 1, 2. See what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Now in next question. we have to add 2. But before doing next question, set your abacus. Now you have to add 2. 1, 2. Then you have to minus 1. Minus means down with your index finger. 1. Then again you have to add 1. Then again add 1. Now what is the answer? The answer is 1, 2, 3. Now next question. You have to add 3. Set your abacus. Now 1, 2, 3. Then you have to minus 2. Index finger 1, 2. Then you have to add 2. 1, 2. Now what is the answer? 1, 2, 3. Now add 1. Set your abacus. 1. Then again add 1. Then minus 1. What is the bead left out? 1. Again I am repeating, students. If no bead is there, then if like this is there, no bead is left out here. So the answer is 0 as the first one. I hope you all understand. Practice more sums in rough notebook, as the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.